Ready to move your crypto kingdom to a shiny new device without losing a single Satoshi? Let's dive into safely transferring your Trust Wallet. First, on your old device, open your Trust Wallet, tap the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Within settings, you'll see your active wallets. Tap on the wallet you wish to transfer. Here's the critical part. Tap Show Recovery Phrase. Trust Wallet will likely ask for your device's unlock or biometric authentication for security. This is your secret key to accessing your funds. Your 1 to RD recovery phrase. Do not share this with anyone. Ever write these words down exactly in order, on paper, and store them in multiple secure locations. Never save it digitally or take a screenshot. Think of it like a physical key to your digital vault. Keep it safe, offline, and out of reach of prying eyes. Now on your new device, download Trust Wallet. When you get to the setup screen, choose I already have a wallet. Select the type of wallet you're importing, usually multicoin, then carefully enter your 1 to RD recovery phrase, ensuring each word is spelled correctly and in the right order. Once entered, your wallet will be restored and all your assets will be accessible on your new device. Congratulations! Your crypto is now safely migrated.